Hello, DMS science students. It's Mrs. Kashara at home doing an experiment, the electromagnetics experiment. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the one with the different gauges of wire. So if you take a look at my setup here, get this set up here, you can see that I have all my paper clips, my wires with the different gauges, and the same length. Did about 6 inches at the ends. Made sure that that paint was rubbed off on the end. Excuse me. And then I pre-wound these to save on time, because it does take a little bit of time. So this particular first one we're going to do is the thickness of the wire, and this is 18 gauge. And so this one is probably the thickest of them all out of the 3. I'm going to set up and create a complete closed circuit, allow those electrons to flow so that it will induce some magnetism and align the atoms in the nail to create an electromagnet. Let's see how many paper clips this end is going to pick up. And let's take a look at our ends. We ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 paper clips total. Let's go ahead and write that down. Really cool thing with electromagnets is you hold them and you stop the circuit, make it open, and it drops those paper clips. Kind of fun. Let's go ahead and jot that down while I am getting the 20 gauge thickness of wire. And this one is smaller. I was able to wind that. The look of that. 20 gauge. Got my notes there. Attach at the ends. Allow the flow of electrons to go through that complete closed circuit for a little bit. Get my paper clips. Let's see how many I can pick up. All right. The 20 gauge. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 paper clips on that one. Pick those up again. I just like doing this. And let's just drop them. Boop. All right. And finally, we're going to do the 22 gauge. And this wire is really small in the thickness. This was probably the easiest one to wind. Wasn't as thick to do. You can see how it looks on the nail. Connect those ends. Allow the energy from the battery to flow through the wire to my alligator clips and create an electromagnet. All right, let's see if we can get how many of these we'll pick up. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Interesting. That one has 9. We'll drop that off. Very close to the 20 gauge wire. All right. Enjoy the experiments.